So my name is Lisa Wohl, and I am located in Bloomingdale, Illinois, which is a western suburb of Chicago. I have been in practice for 29 years. I started my own practice 23 years ago, and I have an extremely diverse patient population. Like most ophthalmologists, I believe greatly in technology. And as a solo practitioner, when I first heard about the starting of laser-assisted cataract surgery, I was extremely excited. And I learned about it at a big meeting, and I thought, oh my God, I would love to get involved in that, because I believe I could see the marriage of refractive surgery, which I am a refractive surgeon too, with cataract surgery, and this was my opportunity. But the problem is that as a solo practitioner, it's very difficult to have the resources to be able to fund a machine. And kind of fortuitously actually found Sightpath almost by accident, and realized that this was the way that I could offer my patients the state-of-the-art technology that other physicians with more resources or bigger practices were able to do. When I first found out about Sightpath, the most exciting thing to me was to be able to offer the state-of-the-art technology. What I realized once I started was that once I finished my training period, having the technician there as a guide for me has been extremely helpful, because in case 11 or 12, when I was on my own, I now have another set of eyes making sure that I'm making the right decisions and doing everything optimally, and someone who's had experience of 700 or 800 cases. So that has been extremely valuable to me, and I'd say that is actually probably the thing I value the most about Sightpath, and that in hindsight, had I even been able to buy my own piece of equipment, I almost kind of feel sorry for some of my colleagues who do have their equipment, because they're on their own. And I really have this wonderful support staff. They've been great for me. We are just talking now with Sightpath about utilizing some of their marketing skills. And the thing that I really like about that is that we're kind of like on the same team. They're not just an expensive consultant who just wants to, offer us advice or whatever for money and doesn't really care about our outcome, because it's really more of a win-win. And I'm really excited about starting that. In addition, they do have lots of wonderful resources that we are planning to actually avail ourselves of now. I've used Sightpath now. I've been involved with it for a little over a year, and I've had great patient acceptance, I've had great outcomes, and I've really had a wonderful experience with Sightpath.